Hey guys, today many people know how to solve the classic 3x3, but wait a minute, it's just mixed up here. So I'm just gonna solve this, and then we're going to learn the 3x3 in the next video. So how about we just learn for the 2x2 first? Okay, so we're going to be starting after I do this. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's go back to the 2x2 now. Okay, so we're going to be going through 4 stages today. So number 1, solve the white layer. Number 2, the bottom layer. The bottom part of the cube. Number 3, the top layer. And number 4, the final goal. Okay, so number 1, solve the white layer of the cube. Actually, this is pretty simple. You don't need any special algorithm for that, like for example, R prime, U prime. So let's just hold that back on for a little while. And we'd be using that in stage 2, 3, and 4. Let's continue. Okay, so you might be wondering, if you get this kind, then here's an algorithm I'll show you. So, R, D, R, D prime, R prime, D, R. And that's how you get it. Okay, and we've solved it. And now our second stage comes, where we have to solve the bottom layer. Actually, this is really simple. We just have to do R prime, U prime for the corners, and then we just have to twist them to the right place, and then do the algorithm. And there you have it. Well, that's just one side. And we just have to keep doing the algorithm until we get the bottom layer. And there you have it. See? Okay, now we're on to stage 3, which is actually stage 6 of an actual 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So it's the top layer. This may be a little complex, but I'm just going to show you how it works. So, this is how you're supposed to do. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Well, it doesn't matter on the edge pieces because there aren't any edge pieces anyways. And the only ones are corner pieces. So let's just continue on with the algorithm and we could get it straightforward. And remember, if you get like this part, this green part is good, but the blue part not so much, because the orange part is supposed to be here. The orange corner piece. I mean, what I mean by is the orange. I mean the blue, orange, and yellow pieces are supposed to be here, and the blue, red, and yellow corner pieces are supposed to be here. So this is how we'll do it. Just do this. U prime 180 degrees or U 180 degrees. It's your choice. Just do whatever you like to. And then do this. Do the same algorithm I've taught you. And there you have it. Now, thanks for watching.